Rando is here tonight, and we got a special safe and sane demo for you tonight. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro, I think I know what you have, but what is it?
We got us a Peacock Fountain from SUNS Fireworks.
Whoa, we're going to come over here. SUNS Fireworks. And I got to tell you, this is a new addition, a new brand at Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com, where you can get all the demos, all the fireworks we've been demoing on the BBQ Rando Ranch. And not only can you get them at santanfireworks.com, they are opening mid-June for the July 4th, 2025 holiday, and there's over 60 locations throughout the state of Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico. Now, why Santan Fireworks? No tariffs. Yes! Also, largest selection, the best quality, and the lowest possible prices to you. SantanFireworks.com. When you get down there, tell them BBQ Rando sent you. All right. Now, you can see here over to the right, duration 2 minutes. This is a little heavy, isn't it, Sergeant Pyro?
Just a little.
Yeah, so 500 grams. We're going to take a little tour. There we got it. Whoa. I didn't know we had War and Peace for a performance. So it says amazing fountain that'll last 2 minutes. Thanks, Ziggy. Say hello to Ziggy, everybody.
Hello, Ziggy.
All right, now, with white chrysanthemum, with red star, spider with the blue bright star, silver drawer bench with white chrysanthemums, and green bright star, green plum red, plum, well, heck, it's a peacock. Draw bench, flower with yellow star, draw bench silver ball with red, green, bright star, white chrysanthemums with green, bright star, dragon chrysanthemums with red, bright star. Oh my goodness, you know what? I just described the entire logo here of the Peacock Fountain. So listen, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to take the SUNS Fireworks Peacock Fountain out to the street pad and light fuse and get away?
Let's go.
Let's go! You made it to the street pad. Thank you, Sergeant Pyro. He is lighting.
No shaking, Ziggy.
No, yeah, yeah. Look out, Ziggy. No shaking on this one. Here we go. All right. 500 grams, baby. 2 minutes.
I'll give him a ticket.
Yeah, they didn't listen to you where to park. They had to come back around the other lot. All right. Whoa. Whoa. That is beautiful gold with silver. Oh, whoa! Wow! I still got 10 toes.
Explosion, Batman.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That was so flippin' cool. You know what? We're ready for Looney's BBQ.